Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Rythm bot in your Discord channel. Once you actually get the Rythm bot, you probably want to use it. We can see all his commands by pressing help. And as you can see, you can choose from various lists of commands, frequently asked question and so on. But I believe most of you would like to know how to play music. It's very easy. We just write play, and the name of your YouTube video you want to really play. It can be just a name or directly a link on a YouTube channel or YouTube video. Let's go with, I don't know, test. And as you can see, you have to be in a voice channel. So let's go into gaming channel. And let's go and play test. And as you can see, Mi6 and Rythm joined. That's actually my bad. We can just disconnect the Mi6 one. And as you can see, Rythm is already with us and playing the test song, not like me. But it's very easy. You can basically play anything you want to with your friends or to your friends, and that's about it. You should give it a try, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.